Are you sabotaging your sale? I'm Bridget Harvey, and welcome back to A Change of Address. We are in a shifting market, and some sellers are making costly mistakes without knowing it. I'm gonna let you in on my secrets. Number 1, neglecting home repairs. That finicky light switch, the leaky faucet, or the scuffed hallway paint may seem minor when you pass by them every day. Because they're walking the property for the first time, buyers will notice, and that wear and tear will cause you to leave money on the table. Number 2, failing to declutter and stage. I love your My Little Pony collection. When selling, it is crucial to create a neutral atmosphere where buyers can see themselves. And that means it's time to declutter, depersonalize, deep clean, and rearrange or bring in fresh, neutral pieces to appeal to our target buyer. Number 3, pricing too high. You want top dollar for your home, and so do I. Pricing above the market will cause the property to sit, ultimately selling for less than you deserve. If you're ready to sell your home, put away the Beanie Babies. Give me a call. As a real estate broker with over a dozen years of experience, I can help you avoid these pitfalls and get the best price for your change of address.